Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabilo YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to delete all recent calls on Samsung Galaxy A02. Okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to phone application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. Okay guys, here and phone. Below, you can see the recent. Okay, tap the recent. Here in recent, you can see all the recent calls stored on your phone. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete all recent calls on your Samsung Galaxy A02. To delete this, you'll have to do is tap the three dot on the right side on your screen. Okay, and the pop-up bar show. Now you can see the delete. Okay, tap the delete. So you can select one by one, and the delete button below are show. So you can delete one by one by tap the delete button. But in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete all recent calls on your Samsung Galaxy A02. Okay, you'll have to do is tap again the three dot and select the delete and select this upper circle button. Okay, tap this. So you can see all your contact have check. And after that, okay, tap the delete button to delete all your recent calls stored on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. Okay, we have successfully delete all recent calls on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.